Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to enable Face ID on Steam using your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, open up your App Store from your iPhone and then type in Steam in the search bar. Open up the Steam mobile application and from the info section, check if there is an update button available. If there is, tap on update and make sure that your Steam application is up to date to its latest version. Once it is, tap on open and make sure that you're also logged into your Steam account. Once you're logged into Steam, tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner to open up menu. From the menu section, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Security. Right next to Enable Face ID, tap on the toggle button. Now, you can go ahead and tap on the Require drop-down and select whether you want to require the Face ID on App Open or on Steam Guard and Confirmation. I'm just going to tap on App Open. Now, where it says Relock, tap on the drop-down and select the time duration when you want to relock your app. You can select On App Exit after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes from the menu. If you tap on App Exit, whenever you exit the application, for example, force close the application and open back the Steam app, this will require Face ID so that you can get access to the home page of Steam. Steam will now ask for Face ID each time you access your Steam app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.